Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can turn on or turn off timer in Snapchat camera. When you are taking pictures in Snapchat camera, then you can turn on or turn off your timer in your Snapchat. So how will you do it? Just open your Snapchat account and click on your camera option. When you click on your camera option, you can see there are many options at the right side. Just click on this downward arrow. When you click on this, you can see there is an option called timer. Just simply click on this timer. Now click and tag your pictures. You can see now it's 2, 1 and 0 and it's tagged by picture. So how this is the way you can turn on the timer. Now if you want to turn off your timer, again click on this downward arrow at the bottom right side. Again click on timer and just simply click on cancel. Now again click picture and you can see it's tag picture without timer. So this is the way you can turn on or turn off timer in your Snapchat camera.